Hey crafty friends, this is Julissa of Paper Gems by Jules, and today I am showcasing two brand new products by Unity Stamp Company. The first is going to be the Plaid Builder stencil set. Now this is a two-piece stencil set, and I'm going to show you how to create a plaid background, specifically using pastels because I'm doing an Easter card. But you can use any colors you want, and you actually don't have to use both stencils. You can use one. You can use this as stripes. There's just so many great ways. And for this example, I'm going to show you how to create a plaid background. And I'm choosing Easter colors to match with the brand new Winnie the Pooh stamp set called Pooh's Bunny Hop. Super, super cute. So I started out in the beginning with a light yellow. I used squeezed lemonade oxide. I chose to use oxides because they blend a lot easier. Because this is a thin stripe, you just want to use something to get inside that groove. Just be cautious, not to over press that. You can see I'm using a lot of washi tape to keep it together. Now, the key with this builder stencil is that you want to layer it in the right spots. So there is a little circle, and you'll see me do it here. I'm lining it up. So when I first did the yellow, I colored in that first dot up there on the upper left hand corner, and now I'm using that as a guide for all of it. And listen, the dye that I'm using is going to allow me to condense it, so it's okay that right here you'll see that there is still some ink on the top, or lack thereof, like the lines don't go all the way to the edge of the paper. You can line it up as you need it, but this is just something that I did when I was building this, and it's not a big deal, and you'll see at the end. So I'm putting on the fourth layer, and again I use pastels. I use squeezed lemonade, pitched flamingo, shaded lilac, and this last one is going to be salvaged patina. So just enjoy a little bit of this, and then we're going to hop into the Copic coloring of Winnie the Pooh. Now for Winnie the Pooh, I'm going to tell you, there's a million different ways to color in that Winnie the Pooh. I mean, truth is, I actually love doing the warm grays and making it look like a vintage Winnie the Pooh, but for this one, we're going to use fun, bright colors, and I usually have three go-to inks that I use with Copics to create that classic Winnie the Pooh look. So totally up to you. You can do whatever you want. This is art, so be creative, but I usually go to the E99, YR24, and Y26 to create my Winnie the Pooh. So you'll see those colors there as I color that in. Then I'm going to use other pastels. I'm going to list all of the Copic colors in my blog, so if you want specific details so that you can recreate this, that's all going to be listed in my blog, and it'll be in the link below. But I will let you watch the rest of the video with some light music in the background, and just know that I'm also using some dies by Unity Stamp Company, the scalloped and stitch rectangles, the scallop and stitched circles. Those are all great dies to have in your collection. They work with everything, and Unity has been a little more conscious with their sentiments to fit into some of those dies. How awesome is that? So enjoy the rest of the video. I would love to hear any sort of feedback, comments, anything you might have, suggestions going forward for videos. Please put that in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you found some inspiration. Enjoy.